put it that way, and it locks, and you turn it that way, and it opens. Some sort of adapter. In the bottom it has numbers 1 to 6. So you fill it up to 5 litres on the marker. It's actually quite deep. And then you just put 1 tablet in. There's quite a few tablets in each box. There's 28 tablets, so you get quite a few. So literally just pop that in there. And then we're going to put the items in. Okay, so we're going to put the stuff in. Hopefully it accepts all of this. So far it's holding quite a lot. There's a couple of bottles, dummies, toys, breast pumps, etc. And a whole bunch of other stuff. So I'm going to push it down with that and then put the lid on. Lock it down, you can see it in here. So all of that should sterilise, and it says on the back here that it's done in 15 minutes and you can use whatever you need to use, and then you can leave that in the solution all night pretty much, and you renew it every 24 hours. So it's much more easier than constantly putting the nano bead tray into the microwave every time you want to sterilise something. I mean, this is good, but this is also convenient just to get the job done for all of the bulkier items just to sit in there. So the two go hand in hand really. And that is the review of the Milton Steriliser.